Hey guys, welcome to Panel Built. Today we are in Blue Ridge. This is what we call our PBR location. This is one of our 6 facilities that total about 220,000 square feet. This facility is about 70,000 square feet, and we do some pre-assembles out of here. We ship knockdowns, which is our buildings that we ship out and they're assembled on site. And we also assemble panels here that for the building. So total, all in all, we ship out about 15 buildings a day, 15 shipments a day out of our PBR location. So we're going to take you guys outside, give you a quick snapshot of how this thing works. So you guys ready? I'll see you outside, and let's get our safety glasses on.
This is where we put the binder posts together with modular wiring in them, and it's a plug and go system. That way you don't have to have an electrician to wire everything up. We do all the aluminum that holds the building together, and that's pretty much what we do.
Over here in windows today, these are the sides that we build for the windows. And as you can see on a regular one, you can see that there is a full piece right here, but we use the bandsaw to notch the corners off at 1 1/16 inches. And then after that, we have to punch holes in them. So when we put them together, we'll just have to use those holes for the screws to put the window together. And that's about it.
All right, this is the prep area. This is the beginning stages of panel fabrication. So they collect all the substrate and cut them out for the windows, doors, ACs, and electric, and they put them in the booth and glue them and put them on a squaring table. And then after that, they put a 2,500-pound weight on it and let it sit for an hour. And that's the beginning stages of panel fabrication. And this is the second stage of panel fabrication, called our custom line. They take what the prep has glued and cut the windows, doors, ACs, and put electric in.
Here at Panel Built in Blue Ridge, we usually ship around 5 to 15 buildings every single day, Monday through Friday. We ship in a variety of ways. We have knockdowns, which the panel guys will stack the panels, and we put all the pieces on top that would make the building, which would be windows, doors, fasteners, and extrusions that hold everything in place. We have another way where we ship it pre-assembled, where it's already intact. All they have to do is take it off of the trailer and put it in the place they want it on site. Most of the things on the knockdowns are already pre-cut, so it makes it easier for the customer once it arrives. And that's normal day-to-day here at Panel Built in Blue Ridge.
Hey guys, thank y'all for stopping by Panel Built for Manufacturing Day 2021. Looking forward to seeing you guys in person next year. Have a good one.